Good morning. In the previous class, we were doing the early humans where we learned about the hominoids and the different hominids that lived in the different time of on the earth. Okay. So today we will be doing the wandering life. In the first unit, we learned about the sources of history. We have various sources telling us about the prehistoric times like stone tools, differently shaped bones, remains in the caves, shelters and cave paintings. From these clues, we know that the early human beings led a wandering life. Because of their way of living, the early human beings were known as hunter-gatherers. So what is a wandering life? A wandering means to go from one place to another in search of either shelter, either food. Okay, so according to the sources of the history, how do we come to know about it? Because the archaeologists, they learn about it, they do the study about the past things that happened on earth, isn't it? So in this way we come to know about the history. Okay, and we also by the sources whatever they have found, we come to know about the what happened in the past time. Okay, prehistoric times like stone tools, it's found that they used to use stone tools. Okay, they used to have differently shaped bones which they used as their arms. Okay, they had remains in the caves, like they used to stay in this cave because they did not had houses at that time, isn't it? So they used to make the shelter in the caves. Okay, and they also, when they used to stay in the caves, they used to make paintings and all. Okay, and from these clues the historians have came to know about the human beings, and they had led a wandering life. Wandering life means they used to go from, they did not had a permanent place. Okay, they used to wander from one place to another. Okay, and because of the way of their living, the early humans were also known as hunter gatherers. Why they were known as hunter gatherers? Because they used to hunt and then have their food and all. Okay, they used to hunt, they used to wander from one place to another in search of food. Okay, and they used to live in the caves and all. So they also used to known as hunter gatherers. Okay, the first duty of the hunter gatherers was to find food so that they can survive. Okay, so what was the first duty? The first duty was to gather food. In order to survive, you need food, isn't it? So in order to survive, they used to hunt. Okay, they led a nomadic life. That is, they moved from one place to another in search of food and water. Nomadic also means to move from one place to another in search of food and water. Okay, in their search for food, the first humans learned some important things. So what happened? As soon as they started searching for food, shelter, what happens? They started learning some new things. Okay, they started discovering some new things. Okay, the early men learned to select and gather the edible fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, vegetables and honey. They knew that all wild foods cannot be eaten. So what happened? When they started in searching the food, there are many foods that are not edible, isn't it? And there are many foods that are edible. So they started discovering that which foods they can eat and which are harmful to them. Okay, like they learned to select edible fruits like fruits, roots, which roots can be eaten, nuts, seeds, vegetables and honey. They also found about honey. Okay, and they knew that the wild foods cannot be eaten because if they eat the wild foods, they may die. Okay, they learned to eat fish and develop the necessary skills to catch it. They also learned how to eat fish. Okay, and they started to learn the skills that needs to catch the fish, like you can see in the picture also how the man has learned the art of fishing. Okay, in this way the early men learned to hunt animals for their meat. To hunt animals, they learned to understand the trail and sounds of animals. They also discovered the tricks to catch large animals. They found it easy to kill a big animal and by chasing it into a pit or a muddy area. So what did they do? They also learned to hunt wild animals. Okay, and to hunt those animals, they needed some skills to hunt them, or else the animals could eat them, isn't it? So what they used to do, they used to make the sounds, they used to mimic the sounds of the animals. Okay, of the animals, and they also discovered the tricks to catch large animals. By mimicking, they used to confuse the animals and they used to hunt them. Okay, and they also found it easy to kill a big animal by chasing it. How they used to chase them? They used to chase them to the direction where there was a muddy area, where the soil was watered. Okay, so that it would be easy for them to catch the animal, because in the muddy area it's difficult to run away, isn't it? So they learned all these skills. Okay, the making